going to learn how can we use wrong and wrongly in English sentences. Okay, so wrong is adjective and wrongly is adverb. Okay, as we know that adjective is a word which is used to describe a noun or pronoun, and adverb is a word which is used to describe a verb. Okay, so let's get started our video. Wrong versus wrongly. The adjective wrong can become the adverb wrongly, but we can use wrong as an irregular adverb as well. Both are acceptable. However, wrong as an adverb must come after the verb if modified, as in I guessed wrong. Here you guys can notice that I guessed is I is subject and guessed is verb, and wrong is here wrong is used as adverb, so it is come after verb. He filled out the form wrong. Now here it is used as adjective. Wrongly, on the other hand, can be used either before or after the word it modifies. Here you guys can notice that if you use wrongly, if you place wrongly after or before the word, before the verb, it doesn't matter. You can use it. He was wrongly accused. They judged wrongly. It is a very clear and simple concept, and I guess it is a very easy thing in English. I guess you have cleared your concept.